Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back or welcome to the channel where we are all about self-care, motivation, productivity, and personal growth. Hit that like button or your Wi-Fi might mysteriously slow down. And subscribe because we all need good vibes, okay? Okay. Since I started YouTube, I realized that one of the secrets to grow your channel on this platform is to have a consistent image. So today I will be doing a simple makeup face beat that I'll be doing before I get in front of the camera each time, that you can follow as well if you are a new YouTuber, and if you also just want to find a simple makeup routine before you start your day. Okay? I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation because it's the only one that I have, and I don't think it's important to have 3, 4, 5 foundation anyways. But let's get into it. So I had already went ahead and moisturized my face from earlier, so let's apply some foundation. Ready for the brows, and we just want to do something really simple, nothing too fancy. Just so it looks like it's microbladed or like it's faded in. After you got those eyebrows done, the next thing you want to do is to just add some concealer to your brows. That helps with giving your face a dimension. Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to be a pro to do makeup. This is quite simple. Like, once you get the eyebrows down, you're pretty much good with everything else. Everything just falls right into place after that. it adds dimensions to your face. Like, you don't want your face to just look like a flat potato. So get those dimensions added in. If you'd like to see more makeup content like this, ensure to leave the comment in the comment section. I'd be happy to show you. So for a quick look like this, we're not gonna do a lot of contour. We just want to get our nose right. A little bit right here. A little bit right here. Tones down the look a little bit. It also helps everything like blend right together in the most perfect way. So we are almost through, and the last part is the lips. Okay, let's fast start. classy and pretty fast. You can get this look done in like 15 to 20 minutes. So whether it is that you're getting ready for school, getting ready for work, or you just want to turn that video on and set a video for your channel, this is a look that you can follow. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like this look.